else we can make? Ooh, this reminds me of slime. I got rubber back to John and that thing. They would make a slime, but it's too bad John's not here. Oh, look, here he is. Okay, so what are you guys doing? Today we're gonna make slime. Oh, yeah. So what we're gonna need, so I want blue glue, so I'm gonna pick this glitter glue and this regular glue, and I'm gonna need this glow in the dark teal glue. Your turn, Matthew. Okay, so I want glow in the dark green because green's my favorite color. Next, I'm going to want regular green. The last color I want silver one. I don't like silver. Okay, so now we're gonna put these glues into the bottle. I can't wait! Okay, so now we're gonna put the blue glue. Okay, so I'm gonna go first. But that's okay, you can go first. Thank you! Yeah. So since this one is my best favorite one. Oh, look how big that is! Oh my! It was so, and it's like a big piece. Oink! How do I do this? It's I need to work out more. Ooh, it's gooey. Can I go now? Yeah. Oh! I want all of it. Come on, get it in my cream. I heard the bugs. Real gooey. What's wrong with this? You want help? Yeah, I know it's glue, right? See? Yeah. But this won't work. Okay, I'll try and do it. Oh. Okay, okay, the last one. So now that we got our glue in, we're gonna add activator. Okay, I got a glue. Okay. Get in there. Oh! Ew. Get in there. Oh, it's like milk. It is time to stir. Okay, on the count of 3. 3, 2. Oh, glue. It's just slime. I'm a chef. Add the tape. Guys, help me! Come to my house and help you. Guys, come to my house and help me. My hands are stuck. Tonight I have to wash them. I'm under arrest. I'm sorry, police. Yeah. Guys, nothing up. Oh. It almost went on my face. Yeah, look at this. I got to make
too hard?
It's perfect. I'm making a hand. Yeah, when I push it down so hard, it doesn't even get on my hand. It just feels a little gooey. That's it. Oh, it sticks to my hand. Yeah, because you probably.
Wow.
Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, it's good. But look at mine. When I pull it up, it doesn't ding. Well, wait. Oh my god. so fun job. Don't you like it?